Okay, we're starting the hike. There's the entrance.
Sweetheart mine, happily mine.
Rest number 2. Vi kör till Skochatorna. Rest number 3, I think.
Sweetheart mine, happily mine.
This is my view. We're taking a break. So these two finally caught up to us. We shy went to go use the bathroom. It's like a little house. We are climbing this.
Sweetheart mine, happily mine.
We made it here, but look at this line. I don't think we're gonna get to the picture. It's crazy. This group, and it's our turn.
Sweetheart mine, happily mine. Sweetheart mine,
Enjoy the view before we go back down.
Oh, sweetheart mine, happily mine.
Going downhill now. The boys are going to the bathroom. Yeah, brother's bathroom break, and then we're going first. They need to use the bathroom. We don't. You guys see that? Girls. My abs hurt so much going downhill. Oh, it's definitely more fun, you guys.
Sweetheart mine,
We are so close to the finish line. Sorry for the shakiness.